Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can update software of your bang&olufsenexplore speaker. First of all, you have to be connected with your bang&olufsen application. If you don't know how to make it, you can find this tutorial on our YouTube channel. Next, you have to select your device. You have to be in this menu, so how to make it, just simply click on the name of your speaker, tap on these three dots in the right upper corner and go for the product settings. Next, you have to hit the software update, and as you can see in my case there's the information that I'm up to date and the button is grayed out. That's also the version of the update, but in your case, if the update will be new and available, you will be able to click to install now and then follow other steps. You can also check the details of the update. As you can see in this one, it was fixed automatic standby not working in some cases. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.